There are two types of people who enjoy cooking: the ones who religiously follow a certain dish recipe, and the more adventurous type who likes to improvise and play with food. No matter what type you are, one thing's for sure: you don't have to be Julia Child to make your own cookbook. What you need are a few tried and tested recipes that you gathered throughout the years. Maybe some of them were handed down by your mother or grandmother. Keep this tradition alive and save these beloved food memories in a cookbook online. Or, if we talk about food publishing endeavors, publishing your own cookbook is truly a piece of cake. Here are some of the ingredients of storing all your best recipes in a cookbook online. Curate your own dishes. Writing a cookbook is just like developing a new recipe. Mix the right ingredients with a pinch of storytelling, and you might set yourself up for success. As with anything, developing a good recipe will involve a lot of trial and error. But hey, it took Julia Child 8 years to write a cookbook and 2 more just to get it published. So equip yourself with pounds of patience.
What is it that you really like to do?
Each.
When it comes to print versus digital, putting together all your family's recipes in a cookbook online is kind of a big thing, especially for the generations to follow. It not only simplifies the recipe searching process, but it makes it so much easier to start cooking. Adding explainer videos, tags, and interactivity will only make it even more interesting and fun to flip through. After all, cooking should be fun. But more than fun, the recipes listed in your cookbook should have clear instructions and measurements. Make sure to list instructions in the most logical method. Even add details that others would find useful, such as preheating the oven or figuring out when a cake is ready baked. Not everyone has the same cooking skills or knowledge as you do. Design your own cookbook online. You may be good at cooking, but designing your own cookbook takes more than just putting your recipes together. Figure out the structure of your book, the front and back cover, photography, and all design aspects of it. Lucky for you, there's a multitude of cookbook templates on Flipsnack you can easily edit. Add your own recipes, explainer videos and links, photography and other design elements, and make it look like a professional cookbook. Spread the love. Here comes the fun part of organizing all your best recipes in a cookbook online, sharing it with your friends and family. And we all know that food made with love always tastes better. So why not organize a dinner with your loved ones and cook something from this recipe book that you worked so hard on? It'll be well worth it. Happy cooking!